Have you claimed your $100 vouchers?
Step 1. Go to this URL go.gov.sg/cdcv. You will be brought to this redeem.gov.sg website where it says claim $100 CDC vouchers for your household. Click on the Login with SingPass button to proceed. On the SingPass page, click on the QR code and click on the Login button to proceed. If you have the SingPass app passcode, enter it now. SingPass will share your personal information with Redeem SG. To proceed, click on I agree. Redeem SG has received your personal information. Click on the Next button and enter your mobile number to receive an SMS OTP. Click Send OTP. Enter the OTP you have received. You have successfully claimed your vouchers. To see the vouchers, click Show Vouchers. On this page, you will see your voucher balance, and at the bottom, you will see the denomination coupons in different values of $2, $5, and $10. To use your voucher, simply tap on the denominations that you want to use and click on Show Voucher. Show this voucher to the hawker or merchant and they will use their app to scan it. Once they scan it, the amount will be deducted from your balance. You can also share your vouchers with your household members by clicking on this button. A link will be copied to your clipboard and you can share the link with WhatsApp or SMS.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more good stuff.